सीमा जी, वेलकम टू जी कनेक्ट।
Thank you.
कैसा लग रहा है दुबई?
Fantastic. I love this place. And Dubai is Dubai. सब Indians so crazy है ही है. It's near to India and you get everything. और जो beauty है यहाँ की everything. We love Dubai.
तो आप मैच मेकिंग इतने सालों से कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये आपने सबसे पहले when did you start doing this? When did you think कि इसको मुझे एक करियर बनाना है?
I'll take you back to 25 years. I did a match for my own sister who is in Boston. She is happily married. So I did the match. Then I thought that I have a unique ability to connect to people, to talk to them, to socialize, to understand their personalities. So I thought, why not I start this thing to help our community? So I can talk, I can connect them, and I love to travel, and I love means I can know by their talks and by their aura and everything what type of person, what are their personality they are. So I thought of then starting this. It is a help to our society and community.
तो आप मैच मेकिंग इतने टाइम से कर रहे हैं और इतने सालों से कर रहे हैं आप, तो इज़ देयर लाइक कोई आपका प्रोसीजर है जो आप फॉलो करते हैं, या ओवर द इयर्स ये इवॉल्व हुआ है कि मैं एक सर्टेन वे में इसको करूँगी, या आपने कुछ चेंजेस किए हैं सोच के कि ये मैं गलत कर रही हूँ, ये मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए?
No, my total work is personal touch. So people come to me. जैसे ही कोई बायोडेटा आता है, I personally visit their house, their place, their business. I understand their personalities. I understand the upbringing of the family. I understand the girl, the boy, the studies and what they want. I take their criteria and according to that I match it. So people have the confidence, हाँ चलो, it's my goodwill कि हाँ सीमा जी जो बताएंगे हमारे मैचिंग का बताएंगे. It's not like this कि भाई some biodata is coming and just I'm giving one biodata कि match कर दो. I match both the girl and the boy, their criteria and preferences, and then I proceed. That's my way of working, and that you can see on the show also.
So Indians based in the UAE versus Indians based in the US maybe or other countries, or Indians based in India, उनकी requirements में कुछ तो अलग होता होगा when they are looking for their matches. Is there any difference?
Yeah, there are differences. Like India में जरा community का काफ़ी है कि भाई same community मिल जाए, and little prettiness का काफ़ी है boys में और में थोड़ा ऐसे height का काफ़ी है कि भाई they want कि the girl should not be tall than the boy. It happens in India, but abroad में height is okay. The age difference also is very important in India, that the girl should not be elder. In US चलता है चलो 2-3 साल 5 साल बड़ी है तो क्या हुआ. Height also is the girl is tall तो भी they agree. There is difference.
And generally after meeting so many people you would know कि लड़के क्या ढूंढते हैं लड़कियों में. Is there something like that, like कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जो आप हमेशा you go prepared with कि ये लड़का यही ढूंढने वाला है लड़कियों में? And vice versa, like for girls also, what are the basic requirements they are looking for in men?
Like they want that the girl should be compatible and their chemistry should match. But I have given the one guru mantra throughout the world that 100% you will not get, and if 70% you will get, you should proceed. Because 100% तो कोई को मिला ही नहीं है आज तक. That thing. Because you tell me 2 sisters and 2 brothers also are not same. Then how the 2 persons from the 2 womb of 2 ladies can be same? So थोड़ा सा compromise, थोड़ा सा adjustment, थोड़ा flexible if you be, life will go smoothly. We do this thing elsewhere in office we do. When the flight is late, we do in the airport. When the flight, they say the flight is late for 3 hours. What do? Just you sit, you cannot do anything because you're adjusting there. The same thing, if you adjust in a house, in our then our happy married life, our married life will go very smoothly. So I tell you one guru mantra throughout the world, that little compromise, little adjustment and little flexible if you be, then life will go smoothly.
So आप जब matches मिलवा रहे होते हो, is there generally like an emphasis on horoscope matching from the families, or you just do it on your own?
It depends on person to person. Like 80%, 90% people are scared nowadays because marriages are breaking like biscuits. So they feel कि चलो horoscope मिला ले, तो then they are happy, चलो भाई हमने तो मिला लिया. They will not have a guilt feeling for that. So 80-90% people are matching. If they tell me कि सीमा जी आप मिला लो, तो then I do it. But everybody has their own astrologers and pandits. So they are comfortable कि हमारा पंडित ने बोला है चलो it's matching. So they agree. कोई रहता है कि चलो सीमा जी आप मैच करके देख लो जो भी है. तो it depends on person to person. If I have a this कि अरे इसका future कैसा है, ये match होगा कि नहीं, so then I show the face reader also. Then he predicts exactly. He's not a god, but 80-90% the things happen कि सही हो रही है. Their reality है कि चलो whatever he has predicted, that is, I mean, okay, fine.
एंड लेट्स से कि आपने दो लोगों को मिला दिया है और फिर हॉरोस्कोप मैच किया और वो मैच नहीं हुआ, लेकिन द गर्ल एंड द बॉय आर कंपैटिबल. सो व्हाट डू यू टेल देम दैट हॉरोस्कोप मैच नहीं हो रहा है, आप लोग देख लो, एंड जनरली आर दे रिसेप्टिव ऑफ दैट और दे टेक द एक्शंस बेस्ड ऑन इट, या वो लोग बोलते हैं कि जाने दो, हम आपस में कंपैटिबल है तो चलेगा?
Yeah, sometimes it happens like this, but it happens कि जहाँ केमिस्ट्री मैच होती है वहाँ पे देखेंगे कि हॉरोस्कोप भी मैच होता ही होता है. That I've seen. In few cases हो सकता है कि they don't agree, but I've seen 80% की जहाँ पे उनको गुण एकदम टॉप मैच होता है, we see that the compatibility is there or the wavelength matches that way.
Is there any match that you've made जो आप आज तक फील करते हो कि आई एम वेरी प्राउड कि मैंने ये किया है?
Very good question. One match I have done in Delhi, that is the minister's son. So वो लड़के की माँ को she wanted such a strong and difficult criteria with her. Seema ji, she should be fair, hair should be this much inch, she should be tall this much, and she should have this figure. That way, means so many criteria were there, and it was a very tough situation for me to match. But I have worked so much hard, and I was success in matching that. So I feel very proud. And the boy was, the color was very dark of the boy, but she wanted a very, very fair girl, and she got a fair bahu. So she's lucky, and it was my hard work. So I'm very proud to say that I have done that.
Of course, your show has been very, very popular. It's gone viral. लेकिन उस पे memes भी बहुत सारे बने हैं. So how was your reaction to those memes?
Memes were new to me. So, more the memes, more the show becomes hit. So many of the memes, and really when I enjoy seeing my memes, and it tickles my funny bones, I can tell you that thing. मज़ा आता है memes देखने में कि so much of creativity is there in our India. They have seen एक point they have seen of the show, and they have made the memes. So I enjoyed watching them.
And from the show, there were a lot of people who had real life situations. I won't call them characters. They were real people meeting real people and seeing if their match goes through. So was there anyone who gave you like the hardest time कि बहुत challenging था उनके लिए matches ढूंढना? Or was there anyone who was like your favorite?
Nothing. They all were helpful. When I went to shoot to US, I had a wonderful time, and everybody helped me, and they kept me in the hands, the full team and the all characters of the show. So I'm very thankful to them, and they had done a great job.
Thank you so much, Seema ji, for talking to us. It's been a pleasure. We wish you all the success in your life with all your shows and with your work, of course. God bless you and keep doing what you're doing. Thank you so much for talking to us, Seema ji.
Thank you.